You are going to love the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.